There by Totti Gomez, part of that Wolves back three. You can't win every game, but sometimes when it's straightforward, but let's see. Cunha's forward here, took it down superbly. And Ibrahima Konate got back to... Konate. Recent times, but as I mentioned, his first start this since all the way back in October. They felt they had to act back in mid-December when they sacked Gary O'Neill.
Get under pressure, he'll deliver it, or steps into space.
There haven't been that many changes this season for Liverpool compared to last, but the emergence of Ryan Gravenberch, Ibrahima Konate.
Stay in that midfield area really is links hard now. Wow.
Konate.
Breakaways in the first 10 minutes or so, but other than that, it's been pretty much total domination.
Saw the Egyptian Prince arrive in style yesterday in League and Cup combined this season.
No doubt, Cunha.
One.
I know, it's been about 5 minutes ago I started that.